Hey guys, everything like out to here, and today we'll be doing uh, fire alarm system test 7. So yeah, many changes on the system. So let's get started. Okay, so you may notice, where is it? Where's the panel? That's the UPS for it, but follow this wire. I gotta fix this wire here. I didn't bother putting it back on the clip, but follow this wire. That's right. The panel is not on the wall. You can kind of see it here. I finally got the panel on the wall, and it's not screwed. It's actually held by command strips. But yeah, it's not on a storage shed anymore. But you also may notice. Well, let's look at this. Oh, look at that. We got a dress panel, or some people I'd call it a middle panel. But see, it's just like reinforced cardboard. But yeah, got some ferrite beads in there to stabilize the EMI. So that way it doesn't go off anymore. And it doesn't go off anymore with these little beads now. With these ferrite beads. So yeah. And you also may notice that it's on code 3, the NAC encoder. There's a little voice thing right there. I'll put this back. I'll put this back here, and yeah. Held by screws. This dress panel or middle panel, it's held in by screws. There's one there, and now you can take out. They take off this middle panel like I just did now. So yeah. So that's the panel. We got the Firelight BG12. New on the system, we have a Simplex 2098 9636 with 9211 base. Since this is a 2-wire base, this is a base thermal detector and it's a 2-wire base, I have a little relay module inside the box. I can click on to send the alarm to the panel. So yeah, it does this little weird thing where after you reset, it actually kind of stabilizes, and yeah, for a few seconds. Kind of weird though, but I got it from Kai D'Amato. So yeah, which will be a link down below with test videos. We have a system sensor, brand new system sensor MAS. I got this one brand new in the box. It's a MAS 241580A. It is set to 800 hertz, coded on code 3 by the panel, and it has a 15 candela fixed strobe. In here we have a Simplex 49135 remote strobe. It's in here now, and it's back in this room, or bathroom, or restroom, whatever I want to call it. Got the system sensor 5601P heat detector, which I'm not gonna be testing today. Which are how it works. Over here, we have a Siemens MSI 10B pull. Oh, Service by Electronics, but yeah. Also got from Kai D'Amato, and that's Ader. And we have a Siemens U-MCS-W. This also got from Kai D'Amato. And it's set to 110 candela. You can't see it in there, but it's pretty bright. 110 candela. Here, new in the system, we have a system sensor 2151 with the B112 LP base. This I got from AOI Productions. Here will be a link in the description below. A channel link will be in the description below. So, you ready? I'm ready. So, here we go. Yeah, it's loud. Silent condensator. We'll reset the pulsation. There's the mass. Got a little whining sound. Yeah, that's probably the strobe, but yeah. Reset. Okay, it's reset. Reset the panel. So yeah, and you notice that clicking, hearing is detector stabilizing after a reset, or a simplex detector. But yeah. Anyway, so you may notice the magnet test on this detector is actually it's actually past the LED, a notch, notch on the head, and the before the hole. It's actually right here. See? If I can get it, there we go. There it goes. Reset or silence. It's activated. Go to reset. Watch this. See? Stabilizing. So I had to increase the backlight timer of the panel for 10 seconds. To do that, so it doesn't go off again. Anyway. So yeah. Now we'll do the Service Biocharge or Siemens MSI 10B pull. And here we go. Okay, reset. Silence, reset. Okay. Now we're ready to do the 2151. So yeah. I could do smoke test 6, that's so alarm too. I gotta take it down and all that, but yeah. It goes, we'll test it now. There it goes, oops. Silence. It is on all the silence. It's 4 wires, so yeah. Can't see it. There's something like strobe. Yeah. Here's the Siemens. It's pretty bright. It's the Siemens MCS-SW. It's pretty bright on 110 candela. There's a lot of noise though. Well, not a lot, but I don't think it's because of this. Anyway. So yeah. So there it is. All it's flashing and all that. Do a reset. So yeah, guys. That's clicking. Anyway, guys. Yeah. That is Fire Alarm System Test 7. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you very much for watching.